Tonight, Mexico is not waiting for anybody. Not Washington, not Trump, not even the CIA. Mexico is basically launching the biggest anti-cartel crackdown in years now because a mayor in Michoacán, he was murdered in broad daylight. And you know what? That assassination has become a national earthquake. The new plan is called Michoacán Plan for Peace and Justice. $3.1 billion, that is 57 billion pesos, money for soldiers, intelligence, welfare, agriculture, roads, police reforms. More than 10,500 troops are being deployed, be it army, be it air force, be it national guards, all at once. Basically, Mexico is saying cartels will no longer act like a parallel state. But look at the timing here, because while Mexico is fighting cartels at home, Venezuela is exploding next door. Nicolas Maduro is threatening the U.S. Navy across the Caribbean. He's sending ships near Guyana. He's basically accusing Americans of trying to topple him. And as U.S. attention turns to Venezuela, Mexico all of a sudden becomes the front-line buffer between the two fires. Venezuela crisis in the south, cartel violence on its own soil, and the US political pressure in the north. And you know what? Trump is calling this a foreign invasion. He is warning that cartel gunmen, be it smugglers, traffickers, they are entering America like an army. He is even hinting at military strikes inside Mexico, just like the threats Washington made towards Venezuela. So, Mexico's message tonight is very calculated. We can stabilize this region. We don't need American boots in Mexico, and we will not allow Mexico to become the next Venezuela. Because here is the nightmare scenario, ladies and gentlemen. If Mexico collapses like some analysts actually fear, Venezuela could collapse. North America's entire border system will basically be disrupted. Millions could flee north. Cartels could become warlords. Washington could lose control of immigration overnight. And that is why this $3.1 billion plan matters a lot. This is not just about one Mexican state. This is not just about one mayor. This is about Mexico trying to stop a domino effect that begins in Venezuela, flows through cartel supply chain, and ends inside American cities. This is the battle for territory, not borders, not sovereignty. And the questions remain this: can Mexico crush cartels faster than Venezuela collapses? Or will both crises collide at the same time and trap the entire Americans in just one giant security storm?